Video editing can be a difficult skill to learn. Editing text on a document is something that we've all learned how to do at a very young age. And Minvo lets you edit your videos just like a text document. So let's see how it works. So after you upload your video in Minvo, you're going to open it up in the editor. And once you get that video open, you can see down in the bottom here, this is your timeline. And it looks more like a traditional editor that you might see for other video editing platforms. And on the side here, you have the transcript for your video. But what's cool is anything that we edit over here will have an effect on the actual video itself. I don't know what's going on with this O in here, but maybe we want to just get rid of this entire sentence. Maybe we don't want that. We highlight that part of the transcript and we click cut. Now you can see the transcript is grayed out. And if we come down to our timeline, we can actually see that that section of the video is clipped out. So now that is no longer going to be in our final output. So we can very easily come in here and just edit this transcript to show only the parts of the clip that we want by highlighting and cutting out all the parts that we don't want. So now we're left with the three main sections that I want to keep in this video. But now maybe we want to make changes to the transcript without actually changing anything in the video. We just want to edit the text. There's two different ways we can get there. One, we can highlight the section or the word that we want to edit, and we can click Fix Typo, and that will actually jump you to the part in the transcript where you had it highlighted. Or additionally, we can come over and we can click Edit, and now we have this entire transcript in a different view. Now we can change words in the transcript. As we're making those changes, the changes are happening in the caption, and the video is not affected at all. Additionally, we can remove this entire section, so now it doesn't show up on the screen, but we didn't actually delete that section of the clip. And this can be really handy if you're showing something on the screen and you don't want those captions covering up the main focus of what's happening on that screen. You can just delete out that section of the transcript so it's not distracting for the viewer. Next, we have that find and replace option, which can be really handy because there's always those words in there that just get misspelled every single time. Maybe we want to find the word and we're going to replace it with or. I don't know. We're just going to play with it. And now Minvo will show you all of the instances where the word and appears, and we can choose to not replace this one. Maybe we want to keep that one the way that it is, and then maybe we want to replace all these other ones. Then we click confirm edits. Now every place in this video that we had and is now switched to or, which will be terribly confusing, so I'm just going to undo that. But I think you get my drift. And I don't know about you, but periods and commas in the on-screen captions drive me nuts. But Minvo added this sweet little button in the top that says clear punctuation. After clicking that, all of my periods, all of my commas, all of that punctuation is now eliminated from my transcript. And now we will no longer see that come up in our video. If you want to try Minvo for yourself, I put a link down in the description of this video so you can try it completely free. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more social media, video editing, and Minvo tips.